Welcome. Today, let's walk through the simple steps to add a description to a group on Telegram web using your PC. With the latest updates, adding a group description is a great way to share important information, guidelines, or a warm welcome message with all your members. So, let's get started. First, open Telegram web on your PC. Make sure you're logged in with your account. Once you're in, look through your chat list and open the group where you are an admin. Only admins have the ability to edit group details, so double-check your permissions before proceeding. With your group chat open, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on them to open the Group Options menu. From the drop-down, select Edit. This will take you to the Group Settings page, where you can change various details about your group. Now, find the field labeled Description. This is where you can type out the information you want to share with your group members. Whether it's the group's purpose, rules, or any other important message, write it clearly so everyone understands what your group is about. Once you're happy with your description, look for the Save button and click it. Your changes will be applied instantly, and your group members will be able to see the new description right away. That's all it takes. By following these steps, you've successfully added a description to your Telegram group on the web version. This small update can make a big difference in keeping your group organized and welcoming for both new and existing members. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with other group admins who might benefit from these tips. Thanks for joining in, and enjoy managing your Telegram community with these new features.